Imagine taking millions of social media conversations and automatically creating ads in any language, all based on online customer conversations. You can with Listening 24/7. Simply type your brand name into the dialog box, followed by choosing your industry, then your key competitors. And lastly, social media platforms. Our proprietary AI data engine then gathers posts based on keywords and filters noise, organizes topics, and suggests ready-to-use ad copy and visuals. If you want to fine-tune your image, you can customize it with a prompt. Then make your final selection. Now you can publish them on your own or through the Listening 24/7 platform. It's that simple. Want more details about conversation insights and topics to help create your ads? Ask for a call or a demo today. Your customers are already writing your best ads. What are you waiting for?